This is not the video I'd hope to upload today, but that's exactly what today's video is all about. The number one challenge I've been struggling with, focused on, puzzling over behind the scenes with this YouTube channel is how can I upload a video 3 times a week? How can I make that happen? I know how to connect with you guys, I know how to work hard, I know how my content fits together, what I'm building towards, but uploading more frequently, having a system in place to upload more frequently, that's something the YouTubers I admire, aspire to be someday, all do that I cannot figure out. Even though I'm very analytical, I naturally do not like routines and structure. And that works if you want to upload 1 time a week, but if I want to upload 3 times a week, show up for you guys 3 times a week, I'm gonna need to change a lot of things up, and I'm finding that's a lot harder to do than I thought. This is about so much more than triggering the algorithm or tripling my watch time. I know that creating content I believe in that can help other creatives with their communication and self-awareness, that is the coolest freaking job ever. I know I love it, so I also have to sacrifice for it. Push myself towards goals that stretch me, are unnatural for me, are very hard for me. As I build these new routines, systems, approach a new learning curve, it's very fragile, and especially during weeks like these where I felt a little more isolated or down or just anxious for, you know, the reasons. There's a lot of opportunities for your routines and structures to collapse. And for me, what happens when my productivity falters, I immediately notice my mental health and happiness also falter. I usually feel really, really bad when that happens, bad about myself. I wanted to upload a video 4 days ago. And then 3 days ago, I started feeling bad. And then 2 days ago, I started feeling really bad. And then 1 day ago, you know, I knew I was too tired and too drained and exhausted to make the video happen, but I really didn't feel good that I wasn't able to perform, right, in the way that I wanted to. When you mess up, disappoint yourself, don't reach your goal, should you judge yourself, criticize yourself to improve, or should you take a step back, rest, wait for yourself to just improve? Instead of looking for one thing or person to blame, that type of thinking I've found is not usually healthy, because you will find the answer you're looking for. If you're looking for reasons why you're lazy or not good enough, you'll find them. If you're looking for reasoning why you should take a break and relax, you'll find it. With complicated situations like these, with long-term identity level challenges, struggles like these, there's never just one clear right answer. You are good enough, but you're also not good enough, both at the same time. The idea that's really helped me recently is embracing my limp. There are challenges we all have, disadvantages we all have. And instead of focusing on the disability, how we're crippled, how we're not living up to our expectations, how we're not going as fast as the other people who don't have that same disadvantage, accept the fact that it's hard, accept the fact that it's disappointing, but keep showing up every single day, trying your best regardless. This video is not what I'd hoped to release today. It's not the perfect piece of content for the future of this channel, but I had to practice showing up, taking this little small limp forward, even though it's not the sprint forward I had hoped for. Accept that you have a limp, but don't stop trying and showing up in big ways, even when it hurts, even when it's hard. Don't judge the leg for being broken. Don't judge yourself for having a broken leg. What happens when you embrace the limp is you stop stopping yourself. You adjust your expectations to get you moving forward today. If you try a little every day instead of giving up a little every day, you actually end up getting more done than you think. I wanted to get my email list newsletter together by the end of January, and I didn't. But by not focusing on that as a failure, I was able to keep moving forward, trying new things, learning a new thing, and it came together by the end of March. And I think it's something that deserves being proud of. You know, I learned and tried a new thing. I wanted to have those 4,000 watch hours by the end of March, so seeing that 10 out of 10, 9 out of 10, this is your worst performing video, your channel is getting 20% less views than last month, that was very, very frustrating. But if I focus on the not good enough, how I'm not measuring up, it's easy for me to forget how many amazing things happened in March, how much meaningful and new impact happened in March with those videos or with conversations with you guys behind the scenes. I've been doing more and more YouTube consulting calls behind the scenes, and so even though the AdSense hasn't happened yet, there's huge victories past milestones in other places that I keep forgetting about, that I should be more proud of. There are ways you're winning that you're forgetting about. And there are probably failures, disappointments you are focusing on, emotionally investing yourself in, that are totally unnecessary for you to invest in. Do we practice trying a little every day or giving up a little every day? You're gonna see a lot more limping on this channel. Things aren't gonna be perfect on this channel. They'll take a little longer than expected, but you can count on me to limp forward towards something I believe in with you guys in the trenches, hopefully pulling you forward, hopefully having some fun too. This video right here is very personal to me. I made it a year ago. It's on a very related topic. If you're feeling down, scared, freaked out about success and failure, I think you're gonna really like this video. You are the change maker of your own life. Let's think more deeply. Little steps, keep moving forward. Appreciate you. Peace, peace, bye.